The so-called swipe up button was the most important Instagram creators feature for the last couple of years. This feature was basically a link which you could add to your Instagram story, and then people could swipe up, so really just use their finger and swipe up the screen to get to this link. This was how links worked from the beginning of Instagram to 2020 or even beginning of 21. The important part here is that you had to achieve the 10,000 follower. The important part about this was that you had to achieve 10,000 followers in order to get this swipe up button. So accounts below 10,000 followers weren't able to use this. Now nearly everybody has that link, with only some accounts that has with only some explicit exceptions because of some rule breaking. But normally you can click on the sticker and then you have the link sticker here, link. And here you can just add a link. For example, I don't know, your YouTube channel, which you can copy. I haven't copied it yet. That's why I will put it in here by hand. Okay. And then you see that this link is now transformed to a YouTube link, which means if people click on this link, and if I click, I can decide how it should look like. This one I like, okay. And now if people click on this little button, they get redirected to the YouTube channel, to this link that I choose. For example, also, I don't know, testpage.com. I don't know what it is, but I could use it. And I can also click on this plus customize sticker text, and then the sticker text doesn't say youtube.com, but it says click me. Then it just says click me. People don't know what they're clicking on, and they click, then they see the link name, so in this case tester.com, and then they can decide if they want to click or not. So it takes 2 clicks from them to actually go to the page. But yes, so since the end of 2021, you can use links, or everybody can use links, and there is no 10,000 follower goal anymore, which is helpful because even small businesses and small Instagram accounts, small creators can use links. So this micro influencer bubble is even bigger now, and this big macro influencer are not that important anymore because everybody can use links, everybody can promote stuff, and even for companies it's easier to kind of interact with Instagrammers because you can use every influencer you want, even if this person has only 8,000 followers, this person can use your link, and this is pretty cool. So links are easier than the years before. You can easily put in a link and help people to get on your website or promote a product, and you don't have to achieve this 10,000 follower goal anymore, which is of course helpful.